Hello tech enthusiasts and future IT wizards of India. Are you ready to unlock a world of efficiency and scalability in cloud infrastructure? Let's dive into the art of crafting Azure Resource Manager templates with a hands-on journey that will empower your IT skills. Imagine you work for a fast-growing e-commerce platform that needs to deploy millions of similar web servers seamlessly. The challenge? Doing so quickly, consistently, and cost-effectively. Azure Resource Manager templates are the answer, a set of JSON documents you create once and use over and over to automate rapid deployments at scale. Key point number 1, resource dependencies and locking. One of the biggest advantages of using ARM templates is the ability to specify dependencies and lock resources together. For example, you can ensure that your virtual network exists before deploying your web servers within it, thus maintaining a consistent environment. Real-world practical example number 1, JavaScript resources, type, Microsoft.Network Virtual Networks, name, MyVNet, API version, 1st June 2020, location, Eastus, properties, define properties, depends on, resource ID, Microsoft.Network Virtual Networks, MyVNet, type, Microsoft.Compute Virtual Machines, name, MyVM, API version, 2020-0601. Management, location, Eastus, depends on, concat, Microsoft.Network Virtual Networks, MyVNet. Concat, Microsoft.Compute Virtual Machines, MyVM, properties, define server properties. Key point number 2, parameterization and reusability. As business needs evolve, templates must adapt too. ARM templates allow you to define variables, parameters, making your templates flexible and reusable. Real-world practical example number 2, JavaScript parameters, VM size, type, string, allowed values, standard_DS1_v2, standard_DS4_v2, metadata, description, the VM size, resource group name, type, string, metadata, descript.